Okay, hi, my name is Mark Volondo. I'm in the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class at 11:30. Um, I'm from Bergenfield, New Jersey. My major is web design and development. Um, I'm taking this course because it is required, and also I really just need to polish up on whatever skills I don't have. Let's see. My long-term goals regarding web development are to actually know what I'm doing at some point so that I can actually do the work that I need to do, you know? Something unique about me. Uh, I got hit by a car once and it turned out to be my substitute teacher, so I guess that's something. Uh, my greatest strength? I guess we'll see. What is a perceived weakness that I think I will need help within the class? Hmm. Uh, just probably some syntax stuff, like knowing what I'm doing, like stuff like that. I'll try my best this semester to like cooperate with people, but I guess we'll see. Have a good one.